Before discussing about membrane transport, we will take a look at passive transport and active transport. First is passive transport. In passive transport, no energy is required because in this molecule moves from higher to lower concentrations along the concentration gradient. In this there are two types, first and second. First is simple and second is facilitated. In simple, no facility is required. It means diffusion. In diffusion, movement of molecule from higher to lower concentration until the concentration at both the places get equal. If suppose this is beaker, in this A and B two parts are present. In A, concentration is higher and B, concentration is low. So the molecule moves from higher to lower concentration until concentration at both the places get equal. In facilitated transport, some sort of facility is required like channels, carriers. Second is active transport. In active transport, it is the energy dependent. Energy is required because molecule moves from lower to higher concentration against the concentration gradient. In these two types are present, primary and secondary. In primary, direct energy is used like in form of ATP, and in secondary transport, active transport, energy released from one molecule transport is being used by another molecule for its transportation. It means in this endergonic plus exergonic both take place, because if suppose एक मॉलिक्यूल के ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए करने पर जो एनर्जी रिलीज़ हुई है वही एनर्जी वापस यूज़ की जाएगी दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल को ट्रांसपोर्ट कराने के लिए. तो एंडरगोनिक और एक्सोगोनिक दोनों ही चीज़ें हो रही है. अब हम मेम्ब्रेन ट्रांसपोर्ट के बारे में डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे, क्योंकि एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट में हमारे पास आएगा वी टाइप एटीपीएस, वी टाइप एटीपीएस, एफ टाइप एटीपीएस एंड एबीसी ट्रांसपोर्टर्स. एंड चैनल्स में हमारे पास आएगा वोल्टेज गेटेड, लिगेंड गेटेड, क्लोराइड बाइकार्बोनेट और गैप जंक्शंस. In upcoming lectures, we will discuss about each topic in detail.